Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to know about the string functions. Our first function is length. Length function is used to find the length of the string. You can see its example. Now, let us write a program to understand it in a better way. So, what I'm going to do is, I will just declare the class as length and then I'm taking the function. Now within this function I have to take the input, so that I will do with the scanner class. So I have taken the scanner class and then I took the variable L to find the length. Okay, now next thing is I will input the string from the user and then we will calculate its or find its length. With this statement the user will come to know that he or she has to enter the string. So that string we will store in variable s1, which is of string data type. Okay, now let us find the length of your string. So for that we'll use the length function. We will write L is equal to s1 dot length. Whatever the length of the string is, that will be stored in your L, and now we'll just print it. We'll print this system.out.println, and the length of the string is L. Then just close your functions body and then class body. That's it. Second string function is charAt. It is used to display the character at a particular index. You can see the example. Now let's see few more examples in the book. For example, you can see here they have written they want to find out the character at index 3. So if you will see, this is at 0 index, first index, second index, third index. So P is at index number 3. That is why we get the output as 3. Now let us do a program to understand it in a much more better way. Now here I have taken the class as charAt. I took char underscore underscore at, and then public static void main. Now next thing is I have to take the scanner class. I will take the input. So let's do it. I will take s1 variable of string data type, which will take the input from the user. Okay, I am taking it as next because I am just going to take one word or two words. That is why I am not taking next line. Now second thing which is very important is I have to run a loop. In your previous video you must have seen we didn't run the loop for finding the length, but since we have to find the character, so we have to run the loop. And what will be the size of the loop means till where the loop should go. For that we need to find the length of our string. So we have to use the length function first, then we will use the loop, and finally we will use the charAt function. Now I have declared the length function, and then whatever is the length I am going to run my loop less than that. The reason is if the length is 7, so I am starting from 0, so obviously I'll take from 0 to 6, 7 digits will definitely come. Okay, the length will be 7. That is why we take less than L. Okay, now here we are going to print each and every character, so that is why I will take the string first, s1 dot charAt. Now how we will get each and every index number? For that we are using this loop, so I will write here I. Okay, now what will happen, this I will tell you the index automatically. First let us close the brackets. This for loops bracket is closed, and these. Now if you will see the output, suppose we have taken the input string as sacred. Okay, so what is the length? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the length, so it will run from 0 to 5. Okay, now let us take the index at 0. At 0 index we have s, so s will be printed. We have taken ln, so next line we will print when I will become 1. So here charAt at 1 will come, that will be a. Now I has become 2 because we are updating, so here the value will become 2. What is there at 2 index? C. Then again we will have the index as 3. So what is the value at 3? R. Then E, D. Like this we will get the output. Okay.